Back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. Okay, on this channel we talk about skincare, lifestyle, beauty, and just what's buzzing in the skincare industry generally, what is good, things to try out, etc, etc. Okay, don't forget we are your one-stop shop for supplements and skincare products and ingredients, all of that. Okay, so yeah, obviously I feel like I haven't been on here in a very long time, but I'm always here for you. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Veet Gold Whitening Sugar Scrub. I posted this picture on my community tab. If you don't follow our community tab, like if you don't check what we have in our community tab, you're missing out though. Sometimes I used to drop some things there that are sharp, they pick it. Everything cannot be made into a video, honestly. Sometimes it's just a write-up or some information. Just go there, check to see what we have. Okay, all right, so I'm going to be reviewing this scrub for you guys today, because a lot of people ask, oh, this is a peach variant. So a lot of people always say, you know, I did my Ashanti scrub, my Caribou scrub review, and I emphasized on not using them on the face because they are salt-based scrubs. And sorry, let me apply my lip balm very well. And salt-based scrubs are terrible for the face, hands down. And just scrubs, there are two, like you have sugar-based scrubs, you have salt-based scrubs. Sugar-based scrubs are for people that have very dry skin, and salt-based scrubs are for people that have, you know, oily skin. So when you take sugar-based scrubs, I mean, everybody uses salt scrubs on their body. It doesn't really do much. Ashanti is salt-based. I have a dry skin, but it works fine for me. But when it comes to the face, it's a no-go area. If you want to follow what is good for you, then you need to watch this video. Okay, so the good thing about this scrub is for face and body, so you don't have to buy a different scrub for your face, a different scrub for your body, all of that. Like people that I recommend products to, sometimes I just tell them to make it very simple: brown sugar honey scrub to use exfoliate their face. I already used a physical scrub on my face. I use this from The Ordinary. This is their alpha hydroxyl 30% BHA, 2% peeling solution. It doesn't peel the face, but it's a very good exfoliant. So that is what I use on my face. I rarely use sugar physical scrubs on my face, but I do if I have to. This is a chemical, so if you can get it, get it. It goes in and, you know, breaks down those dirt, helps to exfoliate your skin proper. But today is about this scrub. Okay, so this is a sugar-based scrub. So you can see this is how it is. It is very thick, very jelly. Like, I don't really like the smell. I don't know if I'm not like a peach person, but I don't really like. I had the cover. I don't know what the cover is, but I don't really like the smell. They have different variants, so maybe I might like the lemon one or some other color, but I don't really like the smell of this. It makes me feel very nauseous. There's a smell to it, and I think it might not be the peach, it might be one of the ingredients. But speaking about ingredients, let's look. It has glycerin, sucrose, which is sugar, carboma, thickener, ethylonamine, propylene glycol, polysorbate 20, perfume, sweet almond oil, botulinum glycol, linalool, carica papaya, fruit extracts, prunus persica, which is peach fruit extracts. It's made in the US. It says our whitening body scrub gently exfoliates and comforts the senses of aromatic blend of fragrance. Enjoy real benefits from good ingredients including peach extract, almond oil, and papaya extract. Refresh from whole day tired and make your skin whitening and smooth. Non-drying, non-irritating formula is easy on delicate skin. No mixing or stirring needed ever. Free from paraben, mineral oil, without animal or genetically modified ingredients. Leave skin irresistibly soft and beautifully scented. After soaking hands or feet, apply on conservative amounts to skin and massage, letting sugar crystals remove dead skin cells. Visibly works on rough, bumpy skin, exfoliating, whitening, protecting. That is all they say on this. So like I said, I'm not huge on the smell. Not me, just it turns my belly. I don't really like the smell. But in terms of consistency, so I'm just going to see. Let me show you guys how. See how it is. It's very gummy. It's like a jelly-like scrub, like a jelly. Alright. But when you apply, it melts. So this is something that's definitely not going to be very stripping. It's not very drying on the skin. To definitely moisturize. It's a sugar-based scrub, so you can see the particles. So you have to be very intentional about how you use this scrub because it has large particles, so you need to make sure that you are exfoliating that area. Okay, so in terms of consistency, I like, and like I said, it's very good to use on the face because it has, you can see the particles, so you know where they are going. Whereas with salt scrubs, those ones be entering places that you do not even know existed. So this is really good for both the face and body. Okay, in terms of brightening, yes, it does brighten, that's for sure. The only drawback for me is just the fragrance, but like I said, they might have other fragrance and I might like it, but for this peach one, there's just something in it. I don't know if it's the almond oil or the linalool, or there's just something inside that doesn't sit well in terms of my senses. But for brightening, yes, it does brightening. It doesn't whiten, please. But if you want to brighten, it's very, very good scrub. Okay, I've seen a lot of people that swear by it. They enjoy it, they like it. Veet Gold has really, really good products. You know, they have oils, they have soaps, they have scrubs. Alright, so I'm back. So this is the hand that I exfoliated and I've washed, and definitely doesn't feel drying after, so that's good. So if you have a dry skin, this is definitely a good start for you. Compared to like the Ashanti scrub I've reviewed before, I just wanted to show you guys. You see the consistency of Ashanti scrub. It's a salt-based scrub compared to, put them side by side so you guys can see the difference. The smell of this scrub. Oh God. I might just give it out to someone. Maybe just give it to my siblings. So this is it. This is Ashanti salt-based, and this is the sugar-based scrub. As you can see, this one has a runnier consistency. This one is thick. Okay, and you see the particles are very different. Okay, so this is a very good scrub for face and body. It's very good. It's a very good scrub. The only turn off for me is just the smell. But you really, really enjoy using this scrub. Alright, so that is my review on the Veet Gold scrub. I think Veet Gold scrub cost about 2,000 something or thereabouts. But yeah, it's a very good scrub. Scrubs are not very expensive. Everything's not very expensive. Ashanti is over 2,000, almost 3,000 naira now. But the good thing is that they last you for a long time. So at least you use it for like 2 months before you think about counting another 3K. So yeah, that is it for me on the Veet Gold scrub. It's a very good scrub. You should definitely try it out if you're looking for an affordable scrub to use on your face and body. Scrubs like this do not belong on your face. Alright, So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.